Hey guys, today we're going to be doing a full review and test of this popcorn popper. The company that makes this is called Ecolution, and hopefully I'm pronouncing that right, but they came up with a really cool design here. And basically you guys could microwave your fresh popcorn kernels in this and have popcorn in about 2.5 minutes. So we're going to be putting that to the test right now. So they recommend fresh popcorn kernels. All we're going to do is we're going to fill this up to the first line. And once we do that, we're going to pour it in here. And it's really important to make sure that your popcorn is fresh. If your popcorn kernels are old, you might end up having a lot of leftover kernels on the bottom or burnt kernels. And the crazy part is you guys could even cook this with butter. So they call this movie style. So you could put a small slice of butter on the top. And it's important not to do too much butter because sometimes the butter could actually make it harder for the kernels to pop. All right, so now we're just gonna take this to the microwave and put it in there for 2.5 minutes. So this is the bigger version. They have a snack size and then the family version, and personally this is probably better for like 2 people versus like a big group. And like I was saying, 2.5 minutes is what they recommend. That or 3 minutes, it's really going to vary on your microwave. All right, so it's been about 1 minute and 15 seconds and we're getting some of our first popcorn kernels popping. So it has been 2.5 minutes. I'm gonna let this cook for a little bit longer. We're gonna do the full 3 minutes because my microwave isn't as strong as some of the other ones I've used this in. Because it's a glass container, you're able to see everything happen, which is really neat. Some of these other popcorn poppers are all silicone, so you can't really see what's happening, and you can't see if you have a bunch of leftover kernels or not. So that was 3 minutes. I think another one just popped. So I'm gonna go ahead, kind of shake this around. Can be a little warm coming out of the microwave, so just watch your hands. And now all the butter is everywhere. So I'm gonna go ahead, pour this out into a bowl and show you guys what the popcorn looks like. So once again, here's another quick look at the popcorn. I don't really see too many leftover kernels. It's possible I could have microwaved this a little longer, but honestly, that's pretty good. So that was just enough for a bowl for myself. That was filling this up to that line right there. So that's about how much popcorn you can expect to get out of this popcorn popper. Once you guys are done, you guys can easily clean this. They do say it is dishwasher safe since this is glass and plastic. Just some areas to be careful. There are some weaker points right here and there. Just be very mindful of those. You don't want to snap those off. And then they also mention that the plastic is not removable from the actual glass bowl. So overall, this is an amazing popcorn popper. We've been using this one for a long time now. I have no complaints about it. And with that being said, that is it for my demonstration of this popcorn popper.